Do you know that with ChatGPT, you can literally get the gist of as much as 10 videos in just 5 minutes, or maybe even less? Now, hold on. I know this sounds like an exaggeration, and trust me, I'd have thought the same way too. But this is real. Now, there are situations where you find yourself going through multiple videos, and you are not exactly trying to watch the content. You are just trying to get a general idea and different viewpoints about the topic. Now, let me show you how I do this. Now, before you start, there's just one condition. You need to have a ChatGPT Plus subscription. So now let's get right to it. Okay, so this is the ChatGPT Plus interface, and it's a little bit different from the regular one. You can see these ones at the top. So by default, the plugins are not enabled. So when you click on this, you don't see anything. So to enable the plugins, you are going to come to this place, and then you click on your settings. You come to better features, and then you turn it on in this place. You can also turn on your browse with Bing. So with this one, ChatGPT is connected to the internet and it has more updated information. So we do that, and then when you click on this, you can now see that we have plugins in this place. So the next thing is we are going to come to this place where we have no plugins enabled. You click on it and go down, scroll down, then you can see the plugin store. Now, there are a lot of plugins, but the one we are looking for, we impute YouTube as the search criteria, and it brings out a number of plugins. Now, I noticed that when you have this YouTube plugin selected, ChatGPT tends to use this video insights. So let's install this one. So once you have it installed, you close it, and then you go back to the window, and you can see it now. So you can see it is selected. If I deselect it, it's not going to use it. And if I select it, it's going to use it. So now we are going to create the prompts. So these are the prompts you are going to be using. And you can see that it's a series of prompts. But the most important one here is the prompt 1 and prompt 2. You have prompt 3 to extend the functionalities. And then you have this QA, which I'm going to explain to you later. So you can see the prompt is structured in a way that I'm telling ChatGPT what I am going to do. And I'm also telling it what it is going to do. So you can see that I say I will provide you with 5 YouTube links, and then you will break it into 5 parts. You will give me your response with the title of the video, number of views, subscribers, likes, and comments. And then when I prompt you with next, you will proceed to the next video. So in this place, you are going to bring your YouTube links and you're going to paste all of them in this place. Now, this QA prompt is actually an important prompt because sometimes you ask ChatGPT something and then you are not sure if it understands what you are saying. So what you do is you try to give it, you try to ask it to explain what you just told it and to let you understand how it is going to respond. So you can see that this one says, if you understand my request, give me an explanation and show me an example of how you are going to respond. So with this one now, let us go back into ChatGPT and let's see how this works. So we are going to copy this prompt over to ChatGPT. And let's do that. Now let's use the QA prompt so that you can see how it functions. And then let's put this with it. Okay, so we are going to select GPT-4. So we are going to select GPT-4, and then we are going to make sure that the plugins are enabled. And then you can see that we have video insights here. So now let's okay, so we're waiting for the response. I understand your request. You will provide me with 5 YouTube video links. Okay. When you prompt me with next, I will move on to the next. So can you see? Here's an example of how my response is going to be. Can you see? So it has shown me that it understands my response. And with this, I am sure that when I give it the links, it is going to respond the way I want it to respond. So the next thing to do is to go to YouTube. So let's go to YouTube. And we have YouTube. And then let me pick a very ironic topic. Okay, so how to grow your YouTube channel. That's a very ironic topic, given the fact that I'm teaching you how to summarize videos. So, but let's go. So let me filter to the most recent videos. But I noticed that YouTube will still give me results from, the past, but still better. So what we are going to do is we are going to take 5 links from here. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we are going to copy the link and then we are going to paste it in the Word document. Okay, so that's the first link. And then the second one. And I'm going to do that for the next 3. So now these are all 5 links. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to copy all these links and we are going to paste them in ChatGPT. So let's go. Okay. And then we paste it and we send. Now let us watch it do the magic. Now you can see it's using Video Insights. So it is already currently using the plugin. Now you can see ex-YouTube employee reviews how to grow your YouTube channel. Now if we go back to this page, you can see it's ex-YouTube employee reviews how to get your YouTube channel. 430k views. Let's see. We have 430. It actually gave the exact number, which you cannot actually see here. So now let's put the next one. As you can see, it says, please type next to proceed with the next video. Now let's type next. And then you can see it's going to the next video. Video 2, how to grow a YouTube channel for beginners in 2023. And then it's giving the summary. And then when it is done, we press next to the next one. Next. Can you see how easy this is? So imagine if you are looking for a piece of information, you are not exactly looking for, would I say, video content. You actually just want the information. This is going to actually save a lot of time because it's not every time you want to actually watch the video. You just want to see or you just want to get the main points. And then we go. So I'm going to do the next ones off screen and then I'm going to come back. So now we can see that it has concluded all the summaries. And let's see, video 5, video 4, video 3. So of course you can see these titles. I'm sure you remember them. How to grow a YouTube channel from 0 to 100k. Where's that one? Okay, you can see it here. 15k views. Now let's see it. So we can see 15,990. So the next thing is we are going to use the second prompt, which is to summarize all these summaries into one summary. So let's go and get the second prompt. And then this one says, based on all the summaries provided, I want you to synthesize everything by capturing the most important points and put everything into one summary and limit the response to 500 words. So let's see. So we copy this and we take it here and then we paste it. And let's see the magic happen. Okay. Content strategy. Okay. So you can see it's bringing out different things from the different ones. Okay. Seven. Okay. So what it is actually doing is it is bringing out everything, things that are similar, it is grouping them as one. So now we can see that these are all the things that you need to do if you want to grow your YouTube channel. So you can just look at this and of course, you can now develop your strategy around this one. Now, if you want to go a little bit further to have it summarize everything into just a few lists, you can now add these additional prompts. So now this one says, given this high-level summary, put all the points into a numbered list that perfectly captures the entire message. And let's see that. So if you don't want to go through this entire thing, you just want to read a list. Now what you have is this. Oh, okay, it's still numbering it. Okay. So let us make it to just put it into a list without any explanation. So I could say something like, give me a list without any explanation. And then let me say, give me the list without any explanation. And that's it. So you can see, that's it. So you already have your lists, these 8 things. So there you have it. So this is how you can actually summarize, the contents of videos, of as many videos as you want. Because the thing is, there are sometimes you actually don't want to watch the videos. You actually just want the contents, the lesson in the videos, and you don't want to have to go through a bunch of videos. So you can use this strategy to help you to summarize all the salient points in a video into a short summary that you can consume easily. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel to follow me for more tips on how you can leverage AI to improve, your productivity, to save you time, to make more money. There are a lot of other tips I have for you, and I will see you in the other videos.